Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS app. In this tutorial, we will show you how to cancel a completed order and provide a reason for it. First, tap on the menu icon. Scroll down and tap Reprint/Reopen Order. Select the order you want to cancel. In the tablet version, a list of all booked items appears in the right area. Now tap on Reopen Order. A window will open from which you can choose a cancellation reason. Note, select Other Reason if none of the available 3 reasons is applicable for you. Tap and hold the first article until it is highlighted to delete it. Now mark all the articles you want to delete by simply tapping on them. When all items are selected, click on Delete. A window will open from which you can choose a cancellation reason. Note, select Other Reason if none of the available 3 reasons is applicable for you. As you can see, the table is now empty. Leave it by using the back arrow. Now your entire order has been canceled. If you would like to cancel one or few items of an order and not the entire order, please repeat the steps to reopen the order. Once you reopen the order, tap and hold the items you want to cancel until it is highlighted to delete it. Now tap on Delete, then select your cancellation reason. The item has now disappeared from the table. Leave it by using the back arrow. If you open that same order again by tapping on the same table, you can notice that the second item is indeed canceled. That's it! You completed the tutorial and now know how to cancel a completed order and provide a reason for it.